Sir, it is see, it is not at all in Drugs and Cosmetics Act. Drugs and Cosmetics Act, as per rule, it is not at all permissible. This sale is not at all permissible. Only in the shops only we have to do according to the act. But they are violating the act. Against these online pharmacies, we have got high court orders also. But these high court orders, the department and then governments are not taking care. Because of that only they are moving up. And then one more major problem because of them is, see, our price controlling body is there under central government. They are fixing our margin 16 and 20%. Okay, but these people are giving 25, 30, 35, 40% also. So because of that, our small retailers are suffering. I mean, they are losing their business, their livelihood. See, by more than 4 to 5 crore people, they are depending on this business. So their livelihood is going. So from government, how they will give work for all these people?